Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video. Hey, it's Sovik and you are watching Technojan Infocom. Smartron launched new Smartron t.phone P in India at price 7,999 rupees. The t.phone P will be available from 17th of January over the Flipkart with a flash sale from 12 pm onwards. It's made with aluminum series of metal which is a lightweight and gives an elegant finish. So let's get a quick specification of Smartron t.phone P. The Smartron t.phone P smartphone coming with black, grey, orange and gold color option. The Smartron t.phone P having 3GB RAM with 32GB internal storage. It also have a hybrid microSD card slot which supports 128GB expandable memory. It also supports an OTG drive. The Smartron t.phone is coming with Snapdragon 435 octa-core processor with 1.3 GHz clock speed and the GPU is Adreno 501. The Smartron t.phone P packed with large 5000 mAh non-renewable battery. It supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0 version. In case of camera, it has a 13 megapixel rear camera with single LED flashlight. It supports PDAF face focusing with autofocus and aperture f2.2. And the front camera is 5 megapixel selfie shooter. It gives you awesome selfie. Both front and rear camera can shoot the video at 180p Full HD resolution. Smartron t-phones comes with 5.2-inch HD IPS display. Resolution of the display is 1280 by 720 pixel and having 401 ppi. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 are used as a display protection. The Smartron t.phone P are bundled with Android 7.1.1 Nougat. In case of network and connectivity, the Smartron t.phone P supports dual SIM. Both are the micro SIM slot. Both the SIM support 4G, but at a time single SIM can handle the 4G network. 2G and 3G network also supportable. It also supports high quality VoLTE calls. Connectivity option included dual band Wi-Fi, VO Wi-Fi, that is voice over Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct, GPS, FM radio, USB connector and Bluetooth 4.1 version. The phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack for audio output. Sensor attached are accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, digital compass and the rear fingerprint scanner. The Smartron t.phone P will be available over the Flipkart. Link is given in description. You can buy from there. So that's all. If you want to know more about the other Smartron mobile, then click on the top right corner and subscribe my channel and like this video. And thanks for the watching guys. Have a good day. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video.